Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the VanBus Geo show. This is gonna be a good one, trust me. Alright, we got the natties, and we got Amazon orders in today. I put a bunch of stuff on order. I'm ready to get this traveling going and, get all of it going. So it's gonna be kind of an opening video, and maybe it's mixed in with another episode or something, but we're gonna go ahead and open some stuff. All right, well, first, I already kind of opened one of the things. It's a gas can. Okay, I have two of these suckers. They came in one box, 2 gallons each, and you'll see why I got these, but pretty self-explanatory, I think. We'll see. Hope you guys like the music in the background, if you can hear it. Not sure if you can, but bear with me. I'm gonna get the stuff to unbox. Yep. Oh, we might need to adjust this camera scenario, huh? There we go. I think that's a little better. Is that better? I think that's better. Like that? Yeah. So, Bay's really good buddy, he used to be his roommate, Berdan, just got a Sprinter van, I guess, and he's going to be bringing it here to build it out. But I might go meet up with him first to go do some camping, and then we'll head back here to Bay's house together to get his van remodeled like my bus was remodeled. Probably not the same layout necessarily, but it'll be something like that. You'll see. Let's open this sucker up. See what we got. So if any of these companies want to go ahead and send me some more stuff, sponsor me or something, that would be cool. Former national team player of 2 sports. I think it'd be worth it to sponsor me. Oh, what is this sucker? Ooh. Dang, dude. What? Better put that box out for the kitty to play with, but dang, got the Jackery 500. I've already got the 160, but now we got the 500, guys. Dang. Wow. Wonder what I'm going to be powering with this bad boy. Like everything. Okay. Let's see what this sucker is. This is substantially bigger than the 160 Explorer that I have. Like, substantially. So, very similar charge cord case. In fact, it looks like it's exactly the same one. Maybe it's a little bit of a bigger transformer with this AC hookup, but pretty much the same stuff. Comes with the wall outlet for AC, alternating current, and it comes with the cigarette lighter style 12 volt, direct current situation. That all comes in there. Then, next, you pull this sucker out. Wow. This thing is way bigger than the 160. I mean, it's still light because it's lithium, guys, but it's definitely way bigger than the 160, guys. Look at that. That's awesome, dude. I'm hyped on this one. Woo! So I'll be coming out with a review video on this one, guys. Trust me. And you'll see what I'm stay tuned because you're gonna want to see what I got this to power. Hey, what's up, guys? So, some more items came in. I'm hyped. Do another unboxing video. Say hi, Luke. Luke, say hi. Look, right here. Look up here. Oh, really? Oh, really? All right, let's do the unboxing. What do we have here? Broke a little bit of the styrofoam. Can you guys see me all right? Ooh, this is gonna be gnarly to take out. I feel like. Okay, here we go. I gotta like put my knee here so that I can keep the box down. Oh yeah, guys. The fridge is here. There it is, Luke. There it is. That's the fridge. Yeah. That's the fridge. Nice. Look at that thing, dude. Pretty solid size. Just a little bit bigger than my cooler. Height. Let's check this thing out. Man. So, whoops. I'm gonna switch the camera thing on this. Check this out. Boom. Oh yeah. So, once I get it up and running, I'll put another video out with like a little review or something, but the stuff is coming in. We also, which I'll do another unboxing video, got the generator. There's some gas cans. Figured I didn't need to do a video for that. But alright guys, thanks for a little more info on the fridge. It doesn't even say the brand name really on the box, which is a little odd. But it's one of the ones from China. It had a lot of reviews on Amazon. And it had good reviews. And it's got a digital readout and all that good stuff. So I think it'll work out good. I mean, when it's got over 100 reviews and 99% of them are good, you know, I'd way rather pay $150 less and get this than, actually it's probably like half price of a Dometic, about, so, you know. Alright, so, we're unboxing the gas generator that I got. It's a Wen, 2000 watt. Comes with a toolkit, instructions, owner's manual, funnel, which is nice for the oil. Let's unbox this sucker. Right, Luke? Yeah. Okay. So this packing material out of the way, the styrofoam. Left-handed. Oh yeah, that was left-handed. There she is. 2000 watt inverter generator. It's gonna run the AC. Got a portable AC on the way. Hopefully it comes today, if not tomorrow. Alright, Luke. Ready to get this thing rolling? Yeah. So just unboxing the portable AC unit that I'll have in the bus. There's the box. Some of the other stuff that comes with it. But I'll give you guys an updated, you know, video after this that shows it in use a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. Next video, we're right back to camping. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, please. VanBus Geo.